Purchasing a new commercial roof is one of the most expensive, long-term investments a building owner can make. To ensure a successful project, be sure to do your homework on each contractor so that you can get the best value. Here are some essential criteria to look for when hiring a commercial roofing contractor for your next project. Make sure your contractor has multiple divisions to meet your growing needs. Check the company's customer support services and reputation. Confirm insurance coverage to make sure you and your property are protected. Ensure your provider is certified by the manufacturer of the roof system and working with trained installers. Verify warranty coverage and quality of products. Check on your contractor's safety rating and ask about their safety training program. Be sure to download our Dare to Compare checklist to help you review your bids as they come in. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We have friendly commercial roofing experts standing by and ready to help.